So if you're wondering why I had to start over at 2, it's because number 2 is flawed. Like, why did I make a video with just one question there? Because number 2 was flawed, so I had to stop and fix it. So Jill is 10 years younger than Jack. In 8 years, Jack will be twice as old as Jill. So I'm going to write some equations here. I know that Jill is Jack, take away 10. All right. In 8 years, Jack will be twice as old as Jill. So both of these people are going to age. Jill is going to age, and Jack is going to age. But for equality to happen, it's not Jack that we double, it's Jill. That's 2 equations, okay? It's the substitution property of equality, with words, sorry. Everywhere I see Jill, I can replace her with Jack minus 10. So twice a Jill, sorry, I'm replacing Jill with Jack minus 10. Twice a Jack take away 10, add the 8 that's already present, must equal a Jack plus 8. So if I clean up the parentheses here, I'd have twice a Jack take away 2 equal to a Jack plus an 8. It's kind of weird using names, isn't it? Use X's and Y's, and by all means you can switch over. Invoke the distributive property. 2 Jacks minus a 4 is a Jack plus an 8. Jacks on one side, numbers on the other. We'll move this Jack over here, and we'll move this 4 over here. I know this blows some kids' minds, but 2 Jacks take away a single Jack is Jack. And Jack is 12. If Jack is 12, remember, Jill is Jack take away 10. So Jill is 12 take away 10, which is 2. So Jack and Jill are 12 and 2 respectively. That actually is from earlier on. We were doing systems of equations, just as words. Determine the value of k such that the average rate of change between these 2 points is 3/4. So to do this, your prerequisite skill is to know the formula for slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and plug crap into it. That's all you do. You can replace your slope with 3/4. Up top, you'd have k minus 3. Down low, you'd have 3 take away a negative 2. Clean that up a little bit for you. 3 take away a negative 2 is 5. So 3/4 is k minus 3 over 5. I'm going to do something called cross multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times k minus 3 is 4k minus 12. Numbers on one side, letters on the other. 15 and 12 makes 27, so 27 is 4k divided by 4, and my k value is 27/4. Now for the question that 2/3 of you missed on the last test. You have $3.08 made of pennies, dimes, and quarters. Altogether, you have 32 coins. You have 2 times as many pennies as quarters. How many pennies, dimes, and quarters do you have? Ugh.